blanket stitch. First I will do the knot, and I fold my fabric 1/4 inch inside. The blanket stitch it's an embroidery stitch. First I will sew my first stitch exactly to the fold. Next I'm going to the front on 1/4 inch above, and I'm creating like a loop. This is my first blanket stitch. The next one I will moving forward 1/4 inch toward the right, and I'm sewing with my needle through 2 layers, front and back. And just make nice even stitch again from top to the bottom through 2 layers, creating little fold, and you're just creating nice blanket stitches. You can make same lengths or different lengths, it's up to you. This is embroidery stitch, and from left to right, 2 even space, even tight, and every stitch I'm creating a little blanket stitch, and it looks like we're cleaning our edge from inside and outside. Just do this until the end of your swatch. From top to the bottom. It's very nice, beautiful stitch. You can use cleaning, seam allowance, or as decorative purpose. Through both layers. The most important, make sure your needle going inside of your loop from top to the bottom and until the end. At the end I will go inside and make a little knot or back stitch. And for example, if you need to continue, you will start the same way as we start from this side. Just you will start from the same point, and you will just going forward direction. I will just go inside, do a couple stitches, couple knot, and you can hide your thread inside of your fold. Make sure it's hidden, because if it's work as embroidery, you don't want to see raw edges on either side of your work. Just push your thread inside of the fold and just cut the rest of the. This is our blanket stitch, face side and inside. Looks same, nice and clean. Hide all your knots inside of your fold. This is our blanket stitch.